This video shows how to buy shares of FUTR PLC, listed on the LSE PLC under the ticker FUTR.L. FUTR PLC is a media and publishing company focused on specialist magazines and digital titles. This video is educational only and not financial advice. You need a brokerage account to buy shares, and we use eToro as an example to show the steps. After signing up, you will normally have to verify your account with an identity document and then add funds to trade. Use the platform search bar to find the stock. Type the ticker symbol FUTR.L and select the listing that matches FUTR PLC on the London Stock Exchange. On the stock page, you will see basic company details and a price chart showing recent performance. Confirm the company name and ticker to make sure you have the correct FUTR PLC share. To place an order, choose the invest or buy option. Enter the amount you want to invest and review the order details. Confirm the trade if the market is open. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or set as a limit. If you don't have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. Your new position will appear in your portfolio once the order fills. For convenience, the eToro link is in the description if you want to follow the same steps.